Good morning. It is October 2nd and I got my Planner Society kit in. The Planner Society calls this their September kit. That's my only complaint about the Planner Society is I just feel like they name their kits wrong. Like if this is the September kit, I should have got it September 1st. But we got it October 1st, so why not call this the October kit? That's just a little thing that's always bugged me about them. But whatever. It's still an awesome kit. It's just I'm already done with my September planner, so not for sure why you call it the September kit. So just got this in, and I just do the basic. I've had a couple people comment on the other videos. This looks like a lot, and it is just the basic kit. I think I pay like $39.99. I don't know. I gotta look through my plus shipping. So you get a lot for just the basic. There's add-ons. I never do the add-ons. The only add-on I've done lately is actually yesterday they posted that they had an October Halloween kit on October 1st. And I did buy that, and they said they'd ship it on Thursday, which is, hopefully they'll ship it quickly because I've already started my October planner. And, oh, very pretty colors. So let me just get the box out of the way because this lid is going to no, wait, is it going to stay open? No, I'm going to get it out of the way. So I do love the boxes. They come in. I keep them for storage, other stuff. So a nice fall collars. Let's just rip it open. I do love their packaging, and they do have awesome packaging. And then I also reuse the packaging in a lot of other things. That was already ripped. This glue wasn't sticking. Anyway, I cut these up and used these in altar books. So, oh my goodness. Got a pen right off the bat. Look at that. I love the glitter pins with the water movements. That's cool. Love that. And then we got rose gold, the little tab toppers. What does that say? What does that one say? I can't read it. Anyway. And then this is a stamp. I like it, of the house. And, oh, look at this. So it's owl themed. Oh my god, that is adorable. So this is a nice, fall, autumn. Definitely this would be, perfect for October. So I'm definitely going to use this in October. Even November, maybe. Maybe I'll make this into a November planner. So this is a notepad, two notepads, an owl-shaped notepad and the house-shaped notepad. And then the two pencil holders. This is where you put the pen. And did I show the washi tape, which matches the envelopes? And this is the die cuts. Always have a die cut package. I do love the die cuts. Let's just pull this open. Alright, so cute. And then cards. And then I think last month we got one of these. I didn't know what it was. I'm sorry, not last month. This is every 3 months. And as someone commented that this was a pencil case, I didn't know that. Makes sense to me now that you pointed out. Very cool. And then these are more of the washi tape holders. So she doesn't do those every month. I like when she does them. They are very... So what you do is you can wrap washi tape around them, and that way you can take some with you instead of carrying a huge roll. It makes it a lot easier because it's flatter. I love this idea. And it peels right off. So this would be the little sticker booklet. This envelope is not the same. I guess it's a little different. Anyway, yep, stickers. Ooh, I like that. Alright, pack of stickers. And then a pack of lace papers. These are probably going to be like pockets. And I also so these are the card backings. I reuse these too. I reuse everything in this kit except for this. The plastic I throw away. Everything else is used completely. I definitely don't throw this away. Can make tags out of this. Can just, I don't know, use it in numerous ways. Yep, these are pockets. So cute. Oh my god, I love this collar. Wish there was more stuff of this collar. It's a nice deep red. Nice deep blue. And then these are, I don't know what these are. Oh, punch out tabs. File tabs. Ooh, the puffy stickers. I do like the puffy stickers. Rose gold. And this is trim, sticker trim. I think you have to punch it out. It looks like lace, so it's like strips of trim. So you can trim to like edge your entire paper, or you can cut it in little parts to make your own little tabs. And then here is the packet of paper. Let me find something to open that. I love my little plastic razors. So very handy, and I never cut myself. So, pull this plastic off. So it is a cute. I love the kit. I've loved all their papers. I just wish they planned it a little better, because they're probably, let's see, we got this October, November, December. Oh, that means we're not going to get a Christmas one, right? Because the next kit, if it's every 3 months, the next kit would be January. And then if they give us Christmas papers in January, I'm going to be pretty upset. I don't need Christmas papers in January. So, well, if she counts this as September, so then October, November, December, I don't know. I don't know. Someone tell me, when is my next planner kit going to be? And is it going to be Christmas themed? And are we going to get it too late? Oh my god, look at this. I love this plaid. That's awesome. Animal print. Or maybe just roses. Depends how you look at it. To me, that looks like animal print. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. This is definitely nice fall colors. So, and I do like her stationery or scrapbook paper. It is two-sided. I do love two-sided scrapbook paper. That's the one thing I hate about Michael's craft pads, is the majority of them are not two-sided. I love two-sided. That's beautiful. So let's just quickly put everything back in the stack so you can see it again. So I do love the Planner Society. Sorry if I was a little complaining. The timing is always a little off, because I like to have everything ready way ahead of time. But I will definitely get this done for October and make an October planner. So look at this. All this for, like, what did I say? $39.95. I don't know. Don't quote me on the price. Just look on the website. I think it's a very reasonable price for as much stuff as you get. Like, if you were to buy all this, like at Michael's, you would definitely spend way more than $40. Do I sound like I'm sponsored? I'm not. I pay for this. I don't get anything free. I just really like this kit. And I think I said every 3 months. Or is it every 2 months? Oh my god. Maybe it is every 2 months. I don't know. I don't remember now. I'm getting confused. I hope it is every 2 months, because I would like to get one Christmas themed in December. So I gotta double check. But anyway, if you love planners, then check out their website. And they do occasionally, you don't have to do a subscription service. Like, they'll have a couple kits left over, and they will have those for sale. I think they're a little more expensive, but then if you also don't care about, like, being a little late to the party, subscribe to their email, and they'll have, like, clearance sales where you'll get, if there's a couple kits left over, like, 4 months from now, you can get them for, like, half the cost. I love that. I did that one time. I have so much papers, so it's definitely, if you don't mind waiting and not getting it right off the bat, subscribe to their email so you get when they have these awesome sales. They seem to have sales a lot, so it's pretty cool. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.